So one of the advice that admissions officers say to applicants when they give sort of like a presentation or seminar or something like that, answer the question that is asked. Don't use the same statement for all applications as well. This is something that I basically use also as a way to assess and provide feedback to my students writing. That there is a anchor, there is the prompt, and there's an anchor to the prompt, and that you're supposed to write on that. You don't write on every other topic other than that. You write on the topic that is presented to you, right, in terms of the writing assignment. So answer the question that is asked. That means that there are certain questions that many schools might ask and ask in variation, but when your admissions department is asking you a certain type of question, you really got to take some time to look at that question. You really got to take some time to think about what is it that they want me to respond to. Why do they want me to respond? And so you want to answer the question that is asked, and that includes tailoring the question to that department or to that institution at large, meaning don't use the same personal statement for all your applications because it may not apply. Tell a story, so don't bore the admissions committee. Craft your statement so that it is fresh, lively, and different. Distinguish yourself through your own story. It's hard not to bore someone. Boring someone could be very subjective. I mean, if you are bored reading personal statements as an admissions committee member, you probably shouldn't be on that admissions committee, because you're supposed to really read every personal statement without that kind of bias that I'm going to be bored, right? So you do want to be careful, but you don't want to tell it in such a way that is sort of like you trying to please the reader, right? You're trying to tell them whatever you think they want to hear. Just tell your story. Just tell your story, and you should know your story individually to be able to tell it.